Exciting news! Join Al-Rehman Academy's free basic English language course for beginners. Are you ready to embark on a journey of learning and self-improvement? Look no further. Al-Rehman Academy is thrilled to announce our upcoming free basic English language course for beginners. Whether you're looking to enhance your communication skills, boost your confidence, or simply dive into the world of English language, our expert instructors are here to guide you every step of the way. What's included? Interactive lessons designed for beginners. Practical speaking and listening exercises. Grammar essentials and vocabulary building. Supportive learning environment. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to learn English for free at Al-Rehman Academy. Sign up today to secure your spot. Limited seats available. For more information and registration, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Interested participants must send their name, CNIC no and qualification on the following WhatsApp no. 030489157118. Let's start your English learning journey together.